Do you want to learn how to make these cool paracord bracelets? Then this tutorial is for you. Keep watching. What's up guys? Today we will be seeing how to stitch the Cobra knot paracord. If you haven't seen the tutorial about it, I'm just leaving the link here. You can check it. After you have completed it, and you will need some 180 centimeters of microcord for the stitching. Let's start with the tutorial. I'm just opening the bracelet so that we can stitch it easily. Put your cord on the needle, and after that you will find the end of the bracelet. Here we can start, I believe. Like this. Pass your needle and you need to find this hole without stabbing your paracord. This is important. Don't hurt your paracord, don't damage it. You can leave here about 10 centimeters of microcord. We will come back to this one later. Now I'm starting the stitching process. See, I passed to the back and passed my needle under the microcord itself, and again from here I'm passing to the same hole from the outside, like this. And fix it. So this is the first one. Now I will do it for the second one. I'm finding this hole here with my needle. Pass through the hole. Yeah. Fix your cord to the back side from under the microcord. Pass your needle like this, and again from outside to the same hole. Pass your needle like this. Again, don't stab your paracord. Here we go. Second one is also complete. What do you think about the color choice? I think black and this yellow color, they are quite a good match. Let's go for the third one. Like this. And over the microcord. Stitching the bracelets, in fact sometimes it takes more time than making the bracelet itself, but I believe stitched versions look quite good, and I like decorating my bracelets. They are even more customized like that. Like this. We already have 4 of them.
And now it's just like, man, you gotta have that time where you just like disconnect from the scene, just the race. Like, and it's a race that I've created in my head, you know? But you have to step away from it.
Don't forget to fix your microcord when you are doing the stitching. So I am almost halfway through the bracelet and I keep making the stitches and just wanted to check how you are going. I'm almost done. I just decided not to break this one here, so I passed my microcord inside this hole here like this, and I will just stab it somewhere from here and burn it. Like this. Yeah. Now I can take the needle off. Cut it from here and burn it. This is it. So this side will be like this. And this is up to your imagination, you can find some other solutions, but this is my solution because these are closed like this and I don't want to break them. And we're going back to the beginning. We have one unfinished business here and I will find out a solution for this one as well. For here I will make the same style of stitching but on the reverse way, so just pass it from under the cord like this and from outside to the inside like this, which will bring us to this point. And now you can just stab like your paracord, you can find the hole. And okay, I just passed my needle and it will start like this, and from here I can stab it and burn it. Yes, that's it. Now I can cut the microcord and burn it. Yep, it is done. So this is how it looks. And let's see how it looks when it's closed. So here is the final look of our herringbone stitched paracord bracelet, cobra nuts, black cobra and yellow herringbone microcord stitching. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Have a good day.